So this is a pre-taped painter's plastic with tape attached to it. And you just pull it, and this plastic essentially just clings. And it makes the prep time for your painting super easy. So there's no bleed through, it's translucent. Look at that, nice and clean, nice and quick. All right, so we all hate prepping when it comes to painting, but that is the sure way of making sure that it looks amazing. So today we're gonna be painting this one section of a wall here blue. Because this space is fairly white, the floors are white, we want to make sure that we prep this correctly. So this is a pre-taped painter's plastic with tape attached to it. This is a Scotch blue and in 3M as well. Let me just show you how this works and why it's great. So this has a adhesive, it's basically a piece of tape here, it's adhesive. And then you place this over where you want to paint. Let's just say I want to paint it here. So then I would basically just place this here, and then I would just unroll it and then just like go straight that way, right? It's great for masking. You get a nice sharp clean line on this tape. Now this comes in 48-inch lengths of plastic or 24-inch, and it's 90 feet long. The other one that I had a dispenser with a cutter, so you could cut it, but because I ran out of that one, for this one I need scissors. Let me just show you how this works and why it's great. So let's just unroll it. And you can see that it's going to go down to 48 inches. All I would do essentially is just do this. And now I have 48 inches for spillover. You can see that it also has cling, so it actually sticks to the wall. It's not going to be moving around. You don't have to go and tape the other side. All right, so here's some paint, and there's no bleed through. We're going to leave it, press it really hard. So there's no bleed through, it's translucent, which means if you put this, look at that, nice and clean. If I put this on the window, right, and you're painting, you can still see through it, and you can see how it's clinging to the window, right? But it's translucent, you can definitely see it. And again, you can keep painting it, and it's not gonna go through the window. Now, you can buy paper versions of this. I don't recommend the paper versions because again, paper has bleed through, so I would not recommend that. There is a little tape gun that you can place this on, and it just makes taping much easier. Without that, you're essentially just using your fingers to apply the masking. I'm just gonna start here, which is the edge of the wall. All I do is just lift, just as if I was taping it. I grab my finger and then just press it to the edge, right? And then this will give me a nice edge. It's a little slower without the gun, I'm not gonna lie, and while I'm trying to film, but let's see how quickly we tape this. So now you grab this plastic and you just pull it, and this plastic essentially just clings to the rest of the wall without you needing to do anything. There you go, nice and quick. Again, we start off here. So grab one edge, plaster it here, right? And then just move and tape as you move along. So if you do have a chance, get the one with the dispenser. That allows you to really quickly just cut it instead of you grabbing that. Now, grab underneath. Be careful not to pull it too quickly. Now we just grab this and pull on the plastic. And there you go. Floor, wall, super quick. All right, so this does produce pretty straight edges, so I can really quickly just start at the bottom here. Not worrying about spillover at all. Just working my way all the way around. Now, if we had even a 2-inch piece of tape, you can see that I would have already gone over it. So this way, I don't even have to worry about that. I just paint and only worry about my painting. So if you dread painting slowly, then it's because you didn't prep and tape off the edges correctly, because this is only going to take us 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.